Jcsportline Limited was established in 2007 and is one of the earliest and leading automobile parts manufacturers in China. We have over 15 years of overseas business experience. More importantly, our company Jcsportline has received high recognition from both domestic and international markets. Currently, the spray painting equipment, which cost $1 million to build, ensures a clean spray painting process. Jcsportline is located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, China, with a warehouse of over 5,000 square meters. This includes the warehousing and logistics model, domestic and overseas sales personnel, design departments, etc. There are 2 factories in Dongguan and a subsidiary in Jinmen, Hubei Province. The new factory was completed and put into use in 2024, with equipment and manufacturing levels on par with international leading enterprises. We specially design and develop carbon fiber, body parts, various sports goods carbon fiber, and ODM interior and exterior decorative parts from Germany and the United States, meeting the diversity of customers. Jcsportline provides a wide range of products and services. Our R&D and design department fully cooperates with our technical departments, quickly producing and offering competitive prices. Jcsportline is committed to maximizing profits. We have invested a large amount of funds in technology, advanced equipment, and excellent technicians. We have improved the traditional manual production process and will always pursue technological innovation, strict quality control, and thoughtful services. We actively participate in domestic and international industry exhibitions, continuously enhancing brand influence and market competitiveness. With excellent quality and rapid response capabilities, Jcsportline has gained the trust and reputation of customers in terms of green manufacturing and sustainable development and energy-saving processes, setting an example for the industry. Jcsportline supports China